What's going on, guys? Today we will be unboxing and looking at the M1 Abrams tank in 1/16 scale by Henglong. This is a remote controlled tank with a airsoft BB system. So let's get right into it and see what comes in the box. See, this box is almost too much for my little table. There we go. Here's the manual of instructions with stickers and your target in it. Okay, let's see here. There we go. Battery. Yeah, your regular 7.2 volt battery. Box of BBs. Spare parts, cage armor, machine guns, more spare parts, your little metal radio antenna, some drag cables, and looks almost like a radio receiver, but I'm sure it's not. Let's see, your person, a few pieces of extra track, your oil for your smoke unit, the knob drives for the remote control, and your battery charger. That's all up here in the top. And then we'll put this one up. Alright, and there's this bad boy. This is by far the biggest tank that I myself have purchased from Henglong. I bought their Sherman tank, which is a World War II production, and various German tanks, which were large but not quite this big. So I haven't actually bought the trumpeter. At one point in time I probably will, and I'm curious to know if that's bigger or smaller than this, so I'll have to look that up for you guys. Alright, there's obviously some foam all over it, and here's your control. So it looks like a pretty nicely painted, well done model. So I think I will get batteries charged and installed and then fire it up, and I'll see you in the next installment of this video. Alright, looking good. about the straightest running tank I've ever used. I'm not using it full speed here, a little faster at full. More like that. Let's give the turret a turn. Side to side is great on the turret. Installed what the actual Abrams tanks had in these, which is a gyro stabilized barrel, enabling fire on the run at extremely accurate. Alright, if everyone's ready, we'll give it a test fire. There's BBs in it. That looks great. And let's see how far up the volume goes. Okay, just a couple clicks. Alright. Change sound effects. In the meantime, keep your powder dry, your mind sharp, and your eyes on the target. Semper Fi.